All right, so here's a cold therapy system for your knee, for your shoulders, your joints. This is great because it can wrap around pretty much anywhere. It's going to come with this compression band, which you could basically align to go anywhere on your body. I've even seen people utilize this on their lower back or upper back, and you kind of just strap it around your stomach or your chest. So the way that this is going to work is it's going to be 2 tubes that connect down into this bag, and you'll see that there's a little pump down there at the bottom. The pump is going to connect to the bottom of the bag, and you'll fill this up with water and ice, or you could utilize something like a water bottle to make it a little bit easier. So this can fit up to 6 water bottles, and then you would just fill the remainder part with ice. It also gives you a little guide over here on the back that shows how much water and how much ice to add. Then if you want to carry this around, it's nice because this also has a zipper up here on top, and it's got a handle. So you can go ahead and just grab this right here, bring it with you to the other room, or if you're going to even be traveling with it, it makes it nice and easy. You can fit all these components here on the inside and bring it with you. Now the remote that it comes with is going to be a simple, easy remote that connects to the cable that goes into the wall, and it's got just a few settings. It's got a high flow, a medium flow, and a low flow. Then it also has a timer set for 15 minutes, 30 minutes, or 60 minutes, or you don't have to use the timer at all. This is going to be perfect for anybody who has had a knee surgery or anyone who just has aches and pains with their joints. Then this will be a perfect solution for that. The water flows through one side of the pad, and then it goes through the other side, so you're constantly having cold water flowing through the tube and through the pad, keeping it cold pretty much at all times. Unlike some of those other ones where it's just cold sitting there and eventually your body temperature kind of warms it up. This is nice because it fights against that, and it's constantly circulating that water around. So if you're looking for a cold therapy system for your knees, for your shoulders, for your body, anything that's going to remove inflammation, then I would definitely recommend picking this one up.